Right, that's what started the gates for Bob and Val up in Stuart. If you come close and you see, we'll put the dominoes in there, the dominoes in there, and two that together, that's been dominoed there, dominoed there. These are the dominoes that we use, we glue them, we get them all kind of temporary, then we put there, then we lift it and we put the big clamps and then we leave that overnight. I like to lay them overnight, and that's it. And then you'll see there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 dominoes per gate. Remember that. That's just what high-end gate. But here, I'm going to show you another problem I've had there. There they are, look at that. You could have a better workshop, by the way, folks. There's that. There's the full team. Cock-a-doodle-doo, look at that. And they're no friendly, everybody loves them. So they do, they're beautiful. They've just been fed again. Need to try and get the wool off Wilbur's leg. Look at Wilbur there. But there, and they're Fred it there in the ratio. A great team. Look, he's got one leg up. Who's like that there? There. Is that Long John Silver maybe behind you? Anyway, right, what we're doing is this is for one post for Rona and Billy Brown, right? We'll put that there and we'll paint that black to marry in, right? That's okay, that's one post to go on top of one post. But the bother is, the other post is into the wall, into the butt. And it's a 3-inch butt, so what I've had to do is, I've got this here, I've screwed that in below there, I've marked it there, so that's my screw line there, so I can't exceed that, so I've got to stay that side there. I've marked there, and you see the thing with this laser saw, right, so there you go. If you come in here, you see if you don't want to touch the screw, and I want to touch that there, right, you see the laser line there, do you see it? Watch that there, right, now what I'm going to do, is that down there like that. I don't hide my mistakes, folks. Blunder, but look at that. What does that mean? You know what that means? That means, see that screw there? That's £40. That's 40 quid, folks, for my stupidity. For that, I'll need to take that off, but a new blade in that. So who's a silly Billy? But I told you, I don't hide things from people. Then what we do is, we put that one there like that there, and we put it into the wall like that. On his bowl, look at that. And then that goes into the wall like that, as if, there you go. And then it's just like an ordinary cat. It's into the wall. But there you go, coat red-handed, no hide it. That's it. Yeah, again, ha, thumbs down. But that's what you do. I should have moved it further that way. Well, I'll know the next time, or will I, is the big question. I'll let you decide the next time I do it. See you all later, folks.